welcome back to Rod's Radios. This is a Pioneer KEF-23 car stereo system that a friend of mine asked me to look at for him. It had been out of use for many years in a cardboard box, and it came like this in various bits and pieces, which I've set up on the bench here to see what it sounds like. And immediately I switched it on, I noticed, first of all, there were dry joints in the circuit itself. That meant that one of the channels wasn't working, but that was easy enough to fix. However, the sound was extremely tinny from it, and I realized when I took the covers off the speakers that the speakers had in fact disintegrated. You can see where the cone here has come away from the side. Normally you have a kind of a foam suspension that runs the whole way around, and it's literally just disintegrated over the years. So I'm going to try and fix it. It sounds like madness because it'd be far easier just to get a new set of speakers, but this is a little bit of a challenge, so I'm going to have a go and see if I can bring it back to some sort of audio fitness. Apparently it's going to be used in a workshop afterwards, so I'm not too fussed about whether I can get it working. At worst, I can get a new set of speakers for him, but it'll be interesting to see if the original speakers are recoverable. So let's see what happens. Well, you can hear how bad and scratchy the sound is currently coming from the speakers. So the plan is to make a new suspension ring to support the speaker cones. And to this end, I'm going to make a reinforced paper ring out of kitchen roll. Here I'm experimenting with various glues to find a possible type that'll be strong enough but very flexible. And the only one that actually proved suitable was this one on the far left. It's called Copydex, and it's a latex rubber adhesive that I think should do the trick. The first task is to brush away the remains of the old suspension foam. Next, mark and cut out the new paper ring. Next, I'm sticking the outer part of the paper ring to the frame of the loudspeaker itself. I've left the ring to set for over an hour, and I'm now sticking the inner part of the ring to the paper cone of the speaker. And this is the result. The cone is able to move in and out. I don't know whether you can see that, but the border around here of this paper reinforced with the latex is now rubbery enough to allow this to happen, and hopefully this will allow the speaker to work correctly. Both speakers have now been done, so it's time to hear what they sound like.
doing everything.
And you can join the conversation on Twitter at Brenda Donoghue or
Well, that sounds pretty good to me. So I think we have a result here, and I hope the owner will be happy. While the speakers sound good here, they're going to sound even better when they're fixed to baffles or enclosures. So, if you have been, thanks for watching.